Good morning, first graders. Today is Tuesday, May 12th, 2020. We write that as 5/12/20. In Seesaw today, you will have activities in reading, word work, writing, math, social studies, and PE. In Reader's Workshop today, you'll be making some predictions, and you'll get your brain all warmed up to make these predictions by studying these pictures closely and predicting what will happen next. You'll either draw or write what you think will happen next in these blank boxes. And then you will take that skill, that predicting skill, and apply it to your own Just Right reading. So you'll read your own Just Right books for 20 to 30 minutes, and you'll really think about predicting in your book. So what will happen next? In word work today, you're going to look at long A sounds made by AY, AI, and A consonant bossy E. You'll be sorting words and listening for that long A sound and seeing which of these patterns makes that sound, sorting it into the appropriate column. In Writing Workshop today, we're going to be working on our pictures and our realistic fiction books and really thinking about how we can tell more in our stories by adding details to our pictures. Okay? We can also think about how we can draw our pictures and match them to the words that are in our stories. So we repeat the action in both the pictures and the words to tell our readers even more about our stories. In math today, we're going to continue working on adding those three add-ins together. We're going to be looking for patterns, looking for tens, maybe looking for doubles, and we'll apply them to word problem formats in the video. We'll get a chance to see that. In the practice, you'll be looking for tens, trying to make tens out of those three add-ins. There's a word problem for you to practice what you learn that has three add-ins. There's also Prodigy, if you would like to do Prodigy, and then there's also another math game for you to practice your fluency with. And you'll just take a regular deck of cards, remove the face cards, you're going to shuffle them up, and you're going to lay out 20 cards, but you'll lay them out face up, and your job is to make tens, and you can use however many add-ins you want. You can use 3, you can use 4, however many cards to make a total of 10. You remove the cards and you keep going to see if you can clear all 20 cards off the board. It's a really fun game and a great way to practice your math fluency. In social studies today, you're going to be taking a look at an American hero, a baseball player named Jackie Robinson. You'll watch a short video on him and do a little activity with him for social studies today. And then we have 2 activities for PE. There's a Go Noodle activity, which is always great. It's still a little bit rainy outside today, so Go Noodle is always perfect for when the weather's not great to go outside to exercise. And another activity that we have is something that Mrs. Miklas made up for indoors too. And it takes these 3 things and combines them. So this is skee ball. You might have seen this in like an arcade or a fancy restaurant like Chuck E. Cheese. Obviously you know a soccer ball and you know socks, and she makes a game out of these 3 things: a skee ball, soccer ball, and socks. So find out what that fun game is. She has a short video that teaches you how to play that inside at your house. Our small group today is reading. I will see each of you for your reading groups this morning, and then some of you have your one-on-one conferences today as well, so I'll get to see some of you twice. I hope you have a wonderful Tuesday, first graders, and I will see you soon.